Today, we're building something practical, a personal finance tracker in Java. If you're learning Java or want to create something useful, this project is perfect for you. We'll create a console-based application that helps track income, expenses, and gives you a financial summary. We'll create 4 Java classes: main, personal finance tracker, transaction, and transaction manager. This structure will help us maintain clean, organized code. Let's start with our transaction class. This will be our foundation, representing individual financial transactions. Notice how we're using encapsulation with private fields and public getters and setters. Now for the brain of our application, the transaction manager. This class will handle all our transaction-related operations, from adding new entries to generating summaries. The personal finance tracker class serves as our user interface. We're creating a simple menu-driven system that's easy to navigate. Watch how we handle user input using Scanner. Let's test our application. I'll add some sample transactions. See how smoothly it handles both income and expenses. The summary feature instantly shows your financial status. The beauty of this project is how it implements core Java concepts: classes, objects, arrays, loops, and user input handling, all in a practical, real-world application. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Drop a comment if you'd like to see more Java projects like this.